Technology is one of the most rapidly advancing fields in the world and has the potential to greatly impact our lives in ways that were once unimaginable. From artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things, new innovations are transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. In this essay, we'll take a closer look at some of the most exciting and transformative technology trends shaping our future. Artificial intelligence AI. Artificial intelligence AI is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. AI refers to computer systems that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing patterns, making predictions, and making decisions based on large amounts of data. This technology is already making a big impact in fields such as finance, healthcare, and transportation, and has the potential to be used to develop solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. One of the most promising applications of AI is in the field of medicine, where AI can be used to analyze vast amounts of medical data and help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and treatments. In finance, AI is being used to develop algorithmic trading systems that can make investment decisions more quickly and efficiently. As AI continues to evolve, it will likely play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of technology and our world. The Internet of Things IoT. The Internet of Things IoT refers to the concept of connecting everyday devices, such as smart home appliances and wearable technology, to the Internet. This allows for the exchange of data between devices, making our homes and lives more efficient and convenient. As the number of connected devices continues to grow, the IoT will play a major role in shaping the future of technology and how we interact with it. For example, smart home systems allow homeowners to control their lights, temperature, and security systems from their smartphones, making their homes more convenient and energy efficient. In the future, the IoT will likely play a critical role in the development of smart cities, where connected devices will be used to manage traffic, energy use, and public safety. Virtual and augmented reality VRR. Virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR are two emerging technologies that are transforming the way we interact with the world. VR provides an immersive experience that can transport users to a different reality, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world. These technologies have already shown potential in fields such as gaming, education, and healthcare, and are likely to become increasingly prevalent in the coming years. For example, in education, VR can be used to create immersive simulations that allow students to experience and learn about subjects in a more engaging way. In healthcare, AR can be used to provide real-time information to doctors and surgeons during procedures, helping them make more accurate diagnoses and treatments. 5G technology. 5G technology is the next generation of wireless technology that promises to provide faster, more reliable connectivity for mobile devices. This new technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we use the Internet and will play a critical role in the development of new technologies such as the IoT and VRR. With 5G, we can expect to see new innovations in fields such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and healthcare. For example, 5G technology will make it possible for autonomous vehicles to communicate with each other and with infrastructure in real time, greatly improving safety and efficiency. In healthcare, 5G will enable doctors to access and share large amounts of medical data. In conclusion, these are just a few of the exciting technology trends that are shaping our future. From AI to the IoT, these innovations are transforming our world and the way we live, work, and communicate. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see new innovations that will have a profound impact on our lives and the world around us. It's important to keep in mind that while these advancements are exciting, they also bring with them new ethical considerations and challenges. It's up to society as a whole to ensure that technology is used in a responsible and equitable way that benefits all members of society.